Welcome dear students. So let's start a new lesson, basic features of text editor. Now what do we mean by text? First, what is text? Whatever we type onto the computer is known as text. As I told you in previous lesson also that if we want to write something, then we need a pen and a paper. Similarly, if we want to write on computer, then again we need a pen and a paper. But what will be the pen and from where we will get the paper? I told you that our keyboard basically work as the pen or pencil. And from where we will get this white page or a paper, that is given by the text editor, which is the name of our notebook from where we will get the white paper. So if we want to write anything onto the computer, then our keyboard will behave like as a pen or a pencil, and we will get this white paper from from the text editor. So basically this text editor behave as this is the basically it is a software. Text editor, it is an application which is used to write the letters, words and numbers. So text editor is the application that gives us the white pages. Now in this lesson, what we are going to learn, number one is we will be able to edit text using cut, copy, paste and undo options. So here in this lesson, not only we will learn that how to type, we all learn that what we have to type. If someone told us that write your name, we are able to write our name. But here where to write? That white paper is given by the text editor, and in text editor we are having some more features like cut, copy, paste and undo. Decide when to use cut paste and when to use copy paste. We will also learn that from where we will know that we have to do copy paste or cut paste. So let's read the lesson. Tejas and Jyoti open gedit or WordPad. WordPad or gedit. These are the examples of the text editor application. One more application is there, that is known as Notepad. Notepad is the one of the text editor where we type words, sentences, letters, numbers. The Notepad, gedit and WordPad. These all are the text editor application. Again I am telling you, text editor is the application that gives us the white paper. Now let's see that from where we will get this Notepad and WordPad in our computer. Here there is a word gedit. This is the text editor that we generally not having in our computer. It is in another computer where the operating system is Linux. So we will ignore this and we will work either in WordPad or in Notepad. So now let's see where do we get this WordPad. Now to open the WordPad, go to Start button. This is a Start button, and then all programs, then accessories and then WordPad. Now let us see that how the WordPad looks. Now this is our WordPad. As you can see here, there is a white page. Now we want to type here, so we will use our keyboard also. So let's start our on screen keyboard. Now this is our keyboard, and if I want to write here something, for example, I want to write here welcome. This You can see now that I have written here the word welcome. How is it possible? With the help of pen and paper again. But here now this time what is our pen? Our keyboard is our pen. And from where I will get the word, from where I will get the white paper, that white paper is given by the word pad, and this is the name of the text editor. Right, now let's go back to the lesson. Here on page number 93, you can see that there are the two windows. This is the windows that will appear or that will visible only to the gedit users, but we are not using this software. We are working in our wordpad. So what we will do here, we will type the names of the animals. Okay, now turn next page. Jyoti, we want to separate them into two lists. Number one is domestic animals and number two is wild animals. As you can see here that Jyoti has typed the names of the animals, domestic and wild. Here you can see that she has typed the names of the animals also. So first, I want to enter the titles for the list since the word animals is repeated in both the titles. Can I copy the word? Then Mose, yes, you can. This is called copy and paste. Now, what do you mean by copy? Copy means सेम चीज को दोबारा लिखना, तभी हम उसे क्या कहेंगे? कॉपी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हेयर, इफ शी वॉन्ट टू राइट हेयर डोमेस्टिक के बाद भी शी वॉन्ट टू राइट एनिमल, एंड वाइल्ड के बाद भी शी वॉन्ट टू राइट एनिमल. Therefore, what we will do, instead of typing the word two or more three times, what she will do, she will simply do the copy and pasting of the word. So how is it, how it can be done? For that, let's open our wordpad. Now here I want to write this welcome word again in the next line. So I told you that if I want to write something in the next line, then there is a key known as the enter key. So I will press this enter key to go to the next line. You can see here is the cursor. When I press enter key, then cursor comes to the next line. So how we can do the copy and paste? For that, if we are working in wordpad, then there is first rule that every word should be selected. Every word should be selected to do copy and paste or cut and paste, or any kind of functionalities can be possible by selecting the text. If you want to increase the size of this text also, then again you have to select the text and you can increase the size. Similarly, if you want to decrease the size of any word, for example, now this time I want to decrease the size, so I will simply select that word and keep on decreasing the size.